Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Today, we're giving you our very first hands-on look at Huawei's brand new flagship MatePad Mini tablet. So what's this little device all about? A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Most people are curious about two main things: its size and what it's actually capable of. Let's start with size. Compared to the 13.2-inch MatePad Pro, the MatePad Mini looks noticeably smaller overall. Flip it over and you'll see its length is just a bit more than its height, while the width is about half. But the real question is, how does it stack up against the classic iPad Mini? That's what many people really want to know. The iPad Mini comes with an 8.3-inch screen, while the new MatePad Mini stretches a bit further to 8.8 inches. Interestingly, the iPad Mini is still slightly wider. In terms of length, Huawei's Mini feels a bit taller, so not exactly mini. Now let's check thickness. This is where Huawei takes the lead. The MatePad Mini is only 5.1 millimeters thick and weighs 255 grams. By comparison, the iPad Mini is 6.3 millimeters and 293 grams. Doesn't sound like much, but in hand, it's a noticeable difference. Even though their sizes seem close, once the displays light up, the experience is quite different. The MatePad Mini's shrunken bezels make it look modern and premium, offering a really solid viewing experience. And here's something important: the screen ratios aren't the same. The MatePad Mini uses an 8.8-inch 16:10 display, while the iPad Mini sticks to an 8.3-inch 4:3 display. Alright, now let's move to the second big question. What can you actually do with it? We'll break it down into three areas: entertainment, reading, and productivity, and everyday essentials. Starting with entertainment, this is where the MatePad Mini shines. Movies usually have a 16:9 format, which means the Huawei's 16:10 display gives you slimmer black bars and a larger effective screen area than the iPad Mini. Simply put, videos just look better. How about gaming? We tested King of Glory, and the field of view on both tablets is pretty similar. But the performance, wow! Running on the highest settings, the MatePad Mini holds a rock-solid 120 frames per second even after 8 minutes of gameplay. No overheating, and because it's thinner and about 40 grams lighter than the iPad Mini, it feels super comfortable to hold for longer sessions. The slim bezels also add to the immersion, making games feel more engaging. Now let's talk reading and productivity. For document reading, the iPad Mini has a slight edge because its 4:3 screen ratio is closer to A4 paper, but Huawei makes up for it with that bigger screen and ultra-thin bezels, which improve the reading experience. On top of that, the MatePad Mini comes with Huawei's Yunqi soft light display. It cuts glare and reflections really well, almost giving it a paper-like feel, perfect for reading. Pair it with the stylus, and it works great as a mini notebook. Same stylus features as the larger MatePads: pressure sensitivity, magnetic charging, all of it. The compact size makes jotting down notes super convenient without the bulk of a larger tablet. It's just a little smaller than a regular notebook, but way thinner, so it feels natural to carry around. Next up, essentials. Cameras on tablets aren't usually for professional photography, but Huawei makes this practical. With ultra-wide and zoom options, it's great for quick snaps like lecture PPTs. The 10x zoom still produces decent clarity with post-processing, so it's actually useful for students or quick documentation. And yes, you can even make phone calls with it. Feels a bit odd using a tablet as a phone, but thanks to the front punch-hole camera, hidden top speaker, and Huawei's phone app, you can make emergency calls if needed. So, overall, the Huawei MatePad Mini stands out as a rare gem in the small tablet category. It's thin, light, stylish, and surprisingly capable. This was our quick first experience with it, and honestly, it left a really good impression. So what are your thoughts on this device? Which feature stands out as your favorite? Share your opinion in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tech videos, and follow me on X for the latest tech updates and deals. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.